It might be a strange thing to say after just the first game of the season, but that felt like a big win.
It's a good start, like I say. Once you put such a big squad together and such a change of personnel, and yes, there's some players there from last season, they appreciate what we're trying to do. I've got players in from some from the lower leagues, some on loan from the higher leagues as well. So it's a good mix, but I'm there to develop the players as well. It's not just about us turning up and just performing, off we go. It's kind of, can they get to bigger and better things as well? So I'm there trying to develop them, try and win football games, and obviously the passion and the crowd and the support, and I've got told what was coming, and do you know what, they didn't disappoint. And it's a big football in town. I'm not silly. I took this job on the basis I know what I was going into. I think they said before the game tonight that they've been one of the founder members, and hopefully we'd long continue and hopefully make a top 6 this season.
Dwi'n meddwl oeddwn ni'n heiddi fwy allan o'r gêm dros y 90 munud, ond yn sicr os ydych chi'n edrych ar y 20-30 munud cyntaf o'r gêm, oeddwn ni'n lot gryfach na nhw. Ar ni creu digon o gyfleon i sgorio goliau ac yn Anffodus, ar i'r pêl just dim cweit disgyn fel fyswn ni wedi hoffi wneud hanner cyntaf. Ac yn y diwedd, fel na mae Pêl-droed yn mynd weithiau ac fel ti'n dweud yn Anffodus i golli'r gêm heno.
Ie, to be, lot o boes i siarad neithwr wedi gweld yr predictions, pethau ar gyfer y lig, y pethau fel la, boes yn gweud, let's go out and prove a point heno, fi'n credu bod ni'n neud na heno. A to, game digon anodd, really heno, real brwydro, neb really eisiau colli, fine margins, neis cael y 3 pwynt a bach o momentwm nawr i mynd mewn i'r gêm y fyw wythnos nesaf erbyn Caerdydd Met.
Do you feel a bit hardened by even that with that result?
Yeah, particularly first half. First half an hour, I thought we were, very, very good. Lots of power, lots of pace, lots of positive moments in the game. Just didn't put the ball in the net. Our play was good, and then set pieces also were good as well. So it was disappointing to go in 1-0 down.